if I move now from
Yes,
Quanta
please.
to QuanTour, there's a QuanTour. So there it's more maybe towards technology. So we want to show there that we have a semiconductor-based source of quantum light, which could be used, for instance, for secure communication. And we want to show with this project that semiconductor-based light sources are stable. So this source is starting from Berlin and then is coming to Linz, and then we move across Europe and go back to Berlin, and we want to show that this is still working. And we want to perform measurements at different stations and compare these measurements to see if they're compatible, since there is no standardized measurement protocol so far. So that's the first step towards that.
Okay, that is really cool. And how has your experience been like with the Q source? Doris joined the handover. How was that like with all the celebration and the sticker ceremony and all of that? How was that experience? I mean, of course, I'm also interested in the science, but you probably don't want to talk about the science now because potentially this work will be published, or most probably this work will be published. But
and then we went through the city center. We made a stop to take a picture, and then we came to the university. And Lucas and Maximilian wanted to load immediately the source in the cryostat and start measuring it. And so it has been a lot of fun. And actually, we had the occasion just in the same week. We had a workshop, the second international workshop on gallium arsenide quantum dots. And so we took the source with us, and we brought it to a very beautiful place here in Austria, which is Traumkirchen. It's a Traunsee with view on the Traunstein. Everything's Traun. The source went around also to some beautiful landscape here in Austria. So up to now, it has been a lot of fun. So we made a sticker ceremony in Traunkirchen just next week. It was fun. And I think we keep being fun in the future. So Maximilian looks forward to go to hand over the source to
the next QuanTour hero, which we will not reveal who it is. But if you check out the website, you will know who the next QuanTour hero is. So everyone watching, listening, if you're curious, go to thesciencetalk.com/QuanTour and you will find all the heroes and everything there. That is really cool. Are you also already starting to get ready to say goodbye to the source, you and your team? Or are you super attached to the source?
No, I think we have enough quantum dots. So usually we produce billions of them. So, but we are of course happy to have this one here, and so we look forward. So the mission is to let this source travel. So it's just a continuation of a trip. So it's not a final goodbye. We will keep seeing people around, and then the source perhaps we will visit one or the other of the colleagues.
That is a very grown-up answer, I have to say. A very grown-up answer.